Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the forex analysis for 13th to 17th October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So currently 0.35% positive move, 1.33471 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what could happen in coming week, and I'll be marking some important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, if I talk about the candle, we can see a bearish candle with a good body, medium body, and a big lower and upper wick. So currently, if I talk about stochastic, RSI is around oversold area, that is around 18 and 8 and 15, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other factors, we should also look for other indicators which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So let's now mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So let's open a 1-day chart over here. So this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis notifications so that you don't miss any videos that I upload during this week. Currently, we have already marked some support zone and resistance zone. GBP USD is around on the same range, so we don't need to mark or analyze any new levels. So let's talk about the closing first. So here 1.33471 was the closing. Here the direct support is 1.33394 and the direct resistance is 1.33805. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33003 and then 1.32430. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.34312 and then 1.34667. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels, and also that will help you to trade this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared two two prop firms which I have given a 20% discount coupon code for the first one. You can use that coupon code to get 20% discount on any challenges that you buy from that prop firm. Also, let's now talk about GBP USD pair for this week. According to my analysis, currently I'm expecting a positive move in GBP USD for this week. I'm expecting a closing around 1.33805 to 1.34312. That is in this range. I'm expecting a closing in this range. If you're looking for any bearish trade, then go for bearish trade once 1.33394 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short position till 1.33003. So these are some levels which will help you to take better long or short position. My expectation a bit of a positive momentum for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.